How are you? My name is Gaurav Sharma and I co-founded the socialcomment.com. It is a student network for India, and today we have with us Miss Kanika, who is the first academic influencer who worked with us on our platform, and she got 3 to 4 internships out of that by making the virtual portfolio with us on our platform. So just listen from the side of the Kanika that how she's working with us since then, and what are the milestones she cracked by working with us. And let's hear it out from the experience of Kanika. So hi Kanika, how are you?
Hi Gaurav, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thanks for asking. Okay Kanika, I just saw your post today about the Flutter programming. You have written something regarding that, and you got around 200 views in just 5 to 6 minutes. And we were really amazed out of that, that yeah, something you have really, you're posting regarding academics, a lot of on your profile, and you're building up the virtual portfolio with us, and we really liked it at all. And you brought more and more people from your colleges and the students on this platform, which was a really influencing thing you did for us. So like when you crossed like 200 views just in 5 minutes, what was your reaction?
Yeah, I would like to thank the audience that they are liking my work, they are appreciating my work, and we are getting to know each other. And most importantly, we're making a community, what we call a social community of students. So it's really great. It feels good to be the.
Okay. Okay, so it's like cut down to the question and answers, and just focus on the questions, so that what, like the purpose of the interview will meet, and what exactly our reviewers want to know about this platform. So just tell me that from where did you get to know about us?
Gaurav, to be very honest, I saw one of the virtual portfolio of my friends in our third year, and I find it very new and unique. So from now onwards, that I started using it more frequently.
Okay, so what was your experience when you used this platform for the first time?
I find it very user friendly, and seeing a lots of people around the world showcasing their work, they're posting their contents, measure my performance, my growth with such an incredible crowd is really amazing.
Okay. See, there are many other platforms online which you were able to work there, but why did you choose the social comment? What was the reason that you chose the social comment?
The first thing was the reason I need to make my resume, I need to showcase my work to the people. So the first thing I thought come to mind when using your platform was the virtual portfolio. It attracted me the most. The second thing was your performance tracker. With that, I'm able to project my performance, analyze my growth. So yeah, these two things help me to get more attracted towards your platform.
Okay, Kanika. Well, does like this platform were able to make your meet your needs or not? Like this platform helped you or not in making your needs?
Yeah, surely it did, because after once I have made my portfolio and sent it to my recruiters, posted on LinkedIn, I got multiple internships and one job offer also. So I completely give this credit of getting such good internships and to come in the eye of good recruiters is goes to that virtual portfolio that I have made it on your platform.
Okay, all right. See, you are working from past 5 to 6 months on this platform since we went live. So what is the motivation that keeps you constantly going onto this platform?
Gaurav, the content, the type of content people are posting and showcasing their interest, their means what value they are adding to the content, and different perspectives of the type of content people are posting. So this motivated me a lot to compare my work, to learn from such a great people, great crowd, and it keeps me going. Like I think the platform is generally made for people who are curious about things. So yeah, the curiosity of new content make me going so well and motivated.
Okay. See, this platform is working for you, as you said. This platform is beneficial for your career and all. Anything you want to say to the audience who are right now listening us or watching this video, that how this platform is beneficial to anybody's career, whosoever, like from whichever field, irrespective they are coming from?
See, irrespective of field, everybody needs a resume, or we can say everybody needs a CV. So the best way is to go to a virtual portfolio instead of resume. So I would suggest, if anybody, irrespective of any type of field they are working, maybe arts or anything, a science domain, they always need something, some platform that showcase all their work. So I would suggest go for a virtual portfolio on the Social Comment, and you'll get to know its benefits automatically.
Okay. Like so far you have been able to land up into 3 internships and job offers, which is pretty amazing, you have told. So anything related to that, how did you end up into, like you want to share that, how did you end up into the virtual portfolio thing, and then you land up into the industries and got selected in some of the other internships and jobs?
The basic thing was my work, and it was scattered, you know, it was really scattered. I'm as beginner final year student, I'm almost on every website. So I need something that collectively showcase my work at one place, and so that I can represent it to the job recruiters. So a virtual portfolio helped me to do that. And so I'm able to showcase my work in single virtual portfolio thing, and it helped me a lot to land up in this job opportunities.
What exactly what was the reaction of the people who saw your virtual portfolio? Like you said that when you went to that international internship with in the Singapore, they saw your virtual portfolio, they had what was the real experience you faced? Like you were excited to show your virtual and you were standing apart with your virtual portfolio with other people, that confidence level and that all those things which you had at that point of time. Like explain, can you just explain about it?
Yeah, sure, Gaurav. The first thing everyone says is like, oh, such a great thing is there in the market, and students are not aware of that. And if someone from out of 100 students, 1 or 2 students are bringing that, so automatically you you have an edge above everyone. So I would say that the recruiters were very impressed, I would say, as well as surprised that when such a platform there that are motivating students to work and to compile their work at one place and showcase to the person, means showcase the industry, what they know, actually all the skills they know. So it's very interesting for them, and as well as a surprising thing, like this person, maybe the student, the candidate is coming, they know much more about the technology, they know much more about the market, what's going on. So it gives you an edge above everyone that you are using such an innovative idea instead of simple resumes, and they just give us basic information about you. But a virtual portfolio showcase your work, the type of projects you are posting, the type of work you are doing. So it's really good to have that.
Okay. So like which is the most valuable feature you like on the platform, which other platform does not have?
That performance tracker helped me a lot, Gaurav, because the regular performance check is very necessary when you work with such a huge crowd and post contents that people enjoy looking and are ready to work with you. So that performance tracker helped me a lot to track my performance and keep me motivating to go more and help people of similar kind. So yeah, the performance tracker and obviously the virtual portfolio.
Okay. So how would you like the virtual portfolio is working for you? How much it is working for you? Like, yeah, you said jobs and internship is the one thing you're getting out of it. Okay. Then that is a really unique thing you already explained. Then when you went to this international internship, when you did in Singapore. So what exactly you are happening, like any other thing that virtual portfolio is giving to you?
Yeah, Gaurav, as explained that everything, the most amazing thing I like about the virtual portfolio is it has all the things I want recruiters to see about me, about my work. It's at place. So the best thing is that what I say. Means it has more amazing features, but the most attracting one is that the managements, because in the as being in a technical field, management is very necessary, because you can learn multiple technologies, but if you're not managing them, so people are not knowing what do you know. So to showcase that at one place is very good.
Okay, so it's help you out that you are able to manage all your plethora of knowledge and work at one place. And even the one thing that your wallet got updated last week, we received the thank you email from your side when your wallet was updated. So you are earning on that platform, you are learning from that platform, you're getting internships and jobs from this platform. So I think this platform is basically working for you in a better way, like any other platform can work. What is your take on it?
See, what I should say, like especially in India, studies for any kind of student is very financial pressure is there on parents everywhere, and you can talk about students. So, and the most important thing about the platform is that it's not charging anything of any kind of service you're providing. So it's beneficial for students to post their basic home from starting from the basic notes to a high the blogs they can write, the projects they can make. So it's really helpful for them to earn from such a basic things. So it's a kind of you can do your work and you can earn it. Means learn and earn goes hand in hand on this platform. So I would say it's really good that the platform is instead of paying people, motivating them to learn more and so that they can earn.
Okay, so how much you likely to recommend this platform to your friends, colleagues, your college juniors?
I would say just go and use it, and you'll really feel worth it. Means it's worth using, and you should go, because what I felt personally, that until you are not using any technology, any innovative idea, you will not get to know its benefits. So just go and have a take on it, and you will get to know its benefits.
Okay, so like the idea which we driven out that on academics the people can now really earn, and even by learning, how much you buy this idea? Like first when you started working on this platform, you obviously you don't know that you will be able to earn through this platform, but when you first got your first wallet update and like the past week back, so what was your like this thing was it a surprise for you, or was it something like that, okay, it was meant to be, or it was like something, okay, now fine, I got it and there are no feelings or something like that? What did you felt when you first received your money in the wallet?
See, or for students, it's like we have to learn, because I'm not so much professional in my life. Like I'm just in the 4th year of my college and studying in 7th sem. So thinking of earning something, of just doing simple projects of my own, my classwork work and my trainings are going on. Just posting such things and sharing it world. It's of no idea for any student that they can earn from that also. It's really surprising for me that by just doing my own work, my sharing my stuff with the people, I can even earn. So it's really amazing that the people are liking my work, and the platform supported me a lot.
Yeah, like if I ask you to explain the usability of this platform just in one word, what that would be?
Yeah, I would say it's mandatory for every student to use it. In this generation, it's mandatory.
Okay, so like you are saying that each person should have a virtual portfolio or should have an account on this platform so that they are able to manage their work very easily.
Yeah, that's for sure, because for students, it's really necessary to have access to such innovative ideas and have access to such platforms that motivates them personally, even that keeps them motivating in learning. So it's I should say it's mandatory for every student to use such platform.
Okay, have you ever thought that someone from India will going to bring up this platform for students, which will be really a game changer for each and every student in this scenario, in this Gen Z generation?
See, Gaurav, India is a country where we have so much innovation everywhere, so much creators we have in India, and but still there is a limitation because being from a technical background, I would say engineers are now converted to laborers. Like people consider them as labor work. They are not creating anything. They're not coming with any type of innovation. So expecting from such a generation to innovate, go for such creative ideas, it's really amazing. So it's really amazing to have such people around us, such people like you with us, who can take the chances of creating such a huge platform for students just for the sake of helping and making students more empowered. So I would say it's really great and really surprising that our generation is moving towards creations.
Thank you so much for the kind words, and thank you so much for the interview. So here I was just wanting to put this a close line for everyone who is watching this video. See, we are working very hard to bring up this platform, the first student network for India, and we are trying our best to carve out the passionate students out of each and every one. So we are trying very hard, and we are trying to make this platform work for each and every student in this country. So please come and see what we guys are doing. The IP name is thesocialcomment.com, and it's the first student network for India. We are really working hard on this platform, and I would really like every student to must at least see this platform, what we guys are doing and how we can help you out. Thank you so much, Kanika, for being such a wonderful like academic influencer with us. And for the next time, I will really inform you before having this call interview. My team was so busy last weekend, so they were able to inform you. I know you got this email in afternoon that we will be having a conversation with you. Thank you so much for taking the time out for us, and everyone, thank you so much for listening to this video. Okay, Kanika, best of luck, and keep uploading your stuff with us.